day. Look at this. Like stormy weather. Look at it. So guys, I need to take this ball in. Here in Webster's ball so it doesn't get like.
No, leave it out there.
Why?
Because it's all dirty.
Guys, look at this. I don't know what, but it hasn't stormed yet. I was expecting it to, but this doesn't. Sometimes the weatherman's wrong, so maybe it's not supposed to storm. Guys, look over there. You guys didn't see that, but you can see it. But that, whoa, guys, look at the clouds moving. I thought that when the clouds are moving, I think that it's not how it forms wind. I thought that was, but hey, look, my feet. Well, hopefully you guys can see because. Okay, guys. Now back to. Okay, sorry guys. Look at that sky. It looks more like a tornado inside yours. Whoa, guys, do you see that right there? Right where I'm pointing at? Well, you can get it. It kind of looks like a tornado. Guys, I'm going to get in my shovel. I don't know why. It looks like over there super bad weather. I don't know why, but it's not. Oh, guys. See, look at the sky, Sadie.
Whoa!
See, look at it inside my camera.
Oh! Look how windy it's getting. You should show them the trees. Show them the trees. Up closer.
It's just close.
Wow, what time is it? We need to see if I have work today. I do not think I have work today.
Uh-oh, guys. Look at that. I can feel the wind.
Me too. So we better get out of here before the wind starts to blow.
See, do you think right there, it kind of looks like a real tornado right there? It actually is forming into a tornado.
Okay, I'm going to go out there and say hello. Hello.
Guys, look. Do you guys see that right there?
What do you see?
Point to it.
What do you see?
There. See, there's a tornado right behind you. Just kidding. You guys actually, I think it might be. If it is a funnel cloud, that would be a huge funnel cloud.
Yeah, it would be huge. It would turn almost like a butt.
Well, guys, look. It is a funnel cloud. Well, maybe not. Whoa. You can see that? It's turning darker, Sadie. This is good news. See, do you want me to take a video of you?
No.
Okay, I'm not.
Okay,
Guys, I'm gonna. See, make sure you don't step in the poop. Guys, look at that sky. I'm glad that I can actually see what's really going on inside the camera. I can see more of the clouds. It doesn't really look that good, but oh my goodness, guys! Look at that cloud just like trying to catch up. Like ow, ow, ow.
Guys, look at me.
Say do that again. Yeah, we're just having our little vlog out here. Me and my sister doing a huge storm video. See, when I say get inside, you're gonna get inside super bad.
This is so weird because I've never been in here before. And yeah, it's basically it.
Yeah. So, yeah. See, can you see me on the camera? Guys, this is gonna be a huge disaster because if it is a tornado, then it's gonna. I've never been in a tornado before. I'm not gonna like it one bit. So
I'm not gonna like it because I know like wind and yeah, basically actually happened.
well, let me tell you this little story where me and my sister were walking to my next door neighbors or our behind neighbors. They live right behind us. It's raining, guys. They live right behind us. They live right behind us, and one day it was a super huge. There was gonna be a windstorm, and then we came back super fast, and like branches.
Like this.
Yeah.
Basically it.
Yeah, and branches were like falling down, and one hit me, so it was really scary.
I feel like it's
That was super weird, Sadie. I only felt one raindrop, now two.
I felt two.
Wow, it's a lot of rain. Guys, see how it's like zoomed in? If you actually get super duper back, it's not going to be zoomed in.
Back.
See? Let me show you how it's not really zoomed in when I can see. See how it's not really zoomed in? See, what does it say on your... Well, guys, look at that cloud right there.
Wait, what?
I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that.
What weather is it today? Because I don't really want to be afraid.